Hello dear children, today we are going to learn landscape or its another name is scenery. In this drawing we always focus on the realistic things, means mountains, trees, water, river and many more. And we always color this drawing in a realistic way. For this activity children, we need pencil, black color sketch pen, A4 size drawing sheet, oil pastels and tissue paper or cotton or waste cloth. Let's enjoy the activity. Children, in this scenery first we are going to draw different elements. So first we will draw house. Children, you can change the style of the house also, and if you want to draw any other thing you can draw. Okay, one another house we will draw here. Then we will draw some grass lines. Here we can show one road like this, grass lines. Okay. Then we will draw tree here children, big tree. Then if you want you can draw Christmas tree over here, otherwise Ashoka tree. And we will give different shading effect to it children. Then one from we can show here water, here to here one water, and mountains. So there are so many elements we are learning. Trees are there, house is there, road is there. Some are man-made and some are natural. Okay, so first we will start with the sky. Okay, so for sky we need this sky blue. Then we will use this cerulean blue and we will use white color here. Okay, so let's start the sky. With this cerulean blue I will start the edge of this drawing. Okay, then I will use this sky blue. Children, if you are having small piece like this, you can use that piece also. Little lightly we are going to give this sky blue and we will use white here. Okay children, then I will use this tissue paper, making small piece of it, make a circle or like this and merge it children. So we learn different techniques of merging also. So here we are using tissue paper. If you are not having tissue paper, you can use cotton or waste cloth, or our fingers are also okay. You can use finger also, but always you have to keep clean your fingers. Okay, so after this we will move ahead with this mountain. For mountain we will use this violet color. So little bit I am going to give here violet like this. So keep clean your white color. See, some blue color is there, so you have to keep clean your white color, and then we can merge it. So little bit again, small portion of the tissue I am taking in my hand and merging it. So here we are going to show grass. For that we need light green, dark green and medium green, and then we can use little Persian green also, lemon yellow. Okay, so here we can show grass line. So I am giving this yellow color here. Then I will use dark green, light green I am merging with it. Okay, then very light green. So I am here using this color vertically slant. Why? because it will give us a nice grass effect. So we will move ahead. Now here we are going to show the water. Okay, so this color I am using, it is light blue and the cerulean blue and white is here. So again I am going to clean the white color. Okay, so first I will use this dark color here, then I will merge it with medium color, means light blue, and then I will merge it with white. Take a piece of paper and merge it properly. So after this, randomly I am only drawing little lines over here to show the water effect. Okay. So now we will move ahead to these trees. Yellow, light green, dark green and deep green. Okay children. So first we are going to give yellow from this right side. For this all I am using light color here. Then we will use this light green color children. See, I am drawing like this. Little lines also you can see. So this lines will give us a very nice tree effect children. Okay. So after that we will use this dark green color. So dark green also like this we will give. So after this I am using my fingertip and I am merging it. After merging, again I will use little yellow color from one side, lines, and this dark color here. If children you are having scale or something, we can draw lines also in the middle. Somewhere we can see the lines, somewhere we cannot, of that Ashoka tree. So here we can give little dark effect behind to this house. Also children, if we can give the trunk effect with any pointed thing children. We can use anything. Now I am having scale, so I can use scale here. Wow. To this portion we will use yellow ochre, little brown. Okay. So first we will use this white color here. Okay, like this. I will give little brown here, and then we can merge it with yellow ochre. Dark brown we can use here, okay, like this, to show the difference. Okay, or we can use grey or any other color. So I am using little grey here. To door again we will use brown color. So I will use this tissue to merge it children. This door window is here. Back side of this house. Now children, this road, easy, we are going to use this same color. Yellow ochre I am using here. If you want, you can use grey color also children. And then we will merge it with white color. We can merge it with it. Okay, so now this grass only remain. So children, for this same color we are going to use lemon yellow, light green, leaf green or dark green, and it's dark green. Okay, so same we are going to give colors. First this we can show the light tone. Light green here. Then this leaf green is here. Then I am using this dark green. Then again I will use this tissue and merge it properly. See children, our oil pastel scenery is ready. Enjoy this activity.